Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena. In today's video, I'm showing you my curly hair routine, and I'm using all Camille Rose Natural products. I've been using these products for a while now, and they are amazing for the winter because they are moisturizing and they provide a good hold without the crunch. So if you would like to see how I do my winter curly hair routine, then keep watching. It is very important to shampoo and deep condition weekly. I'm starting by washing my hair with Camille Rose Naturals Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Then I follow up with the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. Now it's time to moisturize and seal before styling. I learned the WLOS method from Jeanette J Beauty here on YouTube. It's when you use water and leave-in to moisturize your hair. Then you seal in the moisture with an oil. After that, you apply your styler. Today, I'm using a mixture of H2O and vegetable glycerin. This will be the W for the WLOS method. Now I'm using the Camille Rose Natural Curl Love Moisture Milk as my leave-in. Now I'm using Camille Rose Natural Cocoanibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum as my oil. After I moisturize and seal my hair, I proceed to styling. My hairstyle dictates if I'm gonna use a cream, a mousse, or a gel. Since I'm doing a wash and go today, I'm gonna use Camille Rose Natural Curl Maker Gel as my styler. So if I was doing a twist or a braid, I would use a cream. And if I was doing a rod set, I would use mousse. So here's my question for you. How do you keep your hair moisturized? Let me know in the comments below. This concludes my winter curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post.